falls asleep with me. She hides her face beneath the sheets, and I know, and I know, and I know I'll be waiting some more. Duty calls and screams for me. It's everything I know I'd never be. Were it not, were it not, were it not for the chance to leave. Some of it was greatness, somewhere in the light. The beauty woke within us, and we learned how to fight. But in the restful slumbers, a memory of days past. Every breath we take could have been our last. And if we stop to wonder, time would pass us by. It didn't even make sense to know the answer why. 'Cause we didn't care, we didn't care, we didn't care. Beauty streams out of her eyes. She hides her face deep in the night. And I know, and I know, and I know I'll be giving my all. Duty calls, the sun will rise. A persona that our hearts devise. Just to hold, just to hold, just to hold, we can live our lives. Some of it was greatness, somewhere in the light. The beauty woke within us, and we learned how to fight. And in the restful slumbers, a memory of days past. Every breath we take could have been our last. And if we stop to wonder, time would pass us by. It didn't even make sense to know the answer why. 'Cause we didn't care, we didn't care, we didn't care. Blood and spells for cheap thrills and highs, lest we all get carried away. Time feels the deep chills of goodbyes, and plays the words you refuse to say. And I know we were waiting for the moment unprepared. We didn't care, we weren't scared. 'Cause we didn't care, we just lived. 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 We didn't care, we didn't care. We didn't care, we didn't care. We didn't care, we didn't care. We didn't care, we didn't days past, we'll move forth and reclaim our reward. I'm not dead to you. I'm still waiting. No, I'm not dead to you. If you feel like staying, I'll stay too for you. I would save you from the torture that days put us through. I just sense somehow that your need would decay. And you say that you see me in this serenity and come invited with impunity. And I never even heard those words yesterday. Then you say no, I'm not dead to you. I'm still waiting. I know I'm not dead to you. If the chance that you're staying, I'll stay too for you. It's for you. It's for you. Now I know exactly who you are. 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 Loving you isn't the right thing to do. How can I ever change things that I feel?